It's 3 o'clock and I am here, sitting on this throne. I flip the switch and the voices say, we see what you have done. But the twisted trees and piles of dust can't pull their rank on me. This time the wound is deeper than I ever thought it could be. And I thought you might be worried now, but you're not, it's plain to see. I've been dreaming of my epitaph and vultures in the trees, because for once I danced alone across this great divide, and nothing at all could save me from drowning in the tide. And I'm waiting for the sign, but I'm running out of time. And I know no other memory, and I know no other fears. And I know these walls around me weren't meant to hold me here. And towards the sun I'll fly, leaving everything I've ever known behind. Now you'll never have to see things from my side anymore. And now the rain pours down on me, so much colder than before. The eyes behind these darkened shades can't see colors anymore. The time has come to grab the torch, shake it towards the sky, and maybe with a little help I'll find the strength to cry. I see the cracks in these old walls and the memories that they hold, but I've been dealt a losing hand, so it's time for me to fold. And I know all roads, they can't be smooth. I've come this far to find the poet's rusted